Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Info Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to keep or restore a recycle bin on your desktop. If it disappears from your desktop, how you will keep it once again. At the moment, see actually it has been disappeared. So first and foremost, you will have to come in display setting, and after coming here, you have to confirm here this resolutions. So if it is the highest, then you have to minimize firstly. So let me minimize first. Now see guys, just I will go for here keep change, and I will check it out. See guys, here no recycle bin has been reflected. So what I will do, once again I will come in a display setting, and I will maximize this resolutions, and I will go for keep change. Now see guys, here once again you will have to come on personalized options, and you have to choose here theme. In theme you will have options desktop icon settings. So simply I will click on this, and I will select this recycle bin, and I will go for apply it, and I will OK. So let's see. Now see guys, recycle bin has been raised here. So this is an easy way, but actually why I recommend it to you guys to go for in a display setting, because of sometimes if the resolution is going too high, in that situation also it won't reflect you very well. Yeah, it will automatically go in a hidden mode of recycle bin. That's why actually, so just you have to maximize the resolution, and then you have to go for try it. So now see, finally this recycle bin has been restored. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. Thank you for watching Info Welfare. Keep watching Technology Welfare.